Rushing the hiring process can lead to costly mistakes. The last thing you want is to bring someone on board who doesn't fit your role or your company culture. That's where our Pro Recruit service comes in. Our Pro Recruit service is designed to help you hire quickly, efficiently, and confidently. We handpick 5 pre-screened candidates for your mid-level positions within just 5 to 7 working days, so you can get quality talent without the inconvenience. To start, it's simple. Visit our website, send us an email, or request a call. One of our dedicated recruitment consultants will reach out for a pre-consult call to understand your specific needs. Once we understand what you're looking for, we will tap into Jobberman's extensive talent pool to find candidates who align with your role requirements. These candidates will be thoroughly vetted and shortlisted by our quality assurance specialist, so you can receive only the best 5 candidates for the role. Within just 5 to 7 business days, you will have a short list of qualified candidates ready to interview. Now that's fast, efficient, and exactly what you need to keep your business moving. Interestingly, each candidate also comes with a summary report detailing their qualifications, experience, and why they are a great fit, so you can make an informed decision with ease. The juicy part, we offer ongoing support throughout the recruitment process and beyond. Need more information or ready to get started? We are here to help you every step of the way. Simply visit our website, email us, or give us a call. Let Jobberman Pro Recruit Service find you the perfect talent for your team quickly and efficiently.